A psychologist conducts an experiment in which a subject is shown 20 words. The subject is then tested to determine the number of words that the subject can recall over subsequent days. The results are recorded below. So after 1 day, 16 words can be remembered, 2 is 12, 3 is 9, and 4 after 4 days is 6.75. If the sequence continues in this way, how many words will be recalled on the 7th day? So first thing we have to establish is what type of sequence this is. So we're going to test for arithmetic. So for arithmetic, I'm going to say T2 minus T1 equals, so it's 12 take away 16, and that equals -4. I'm going to say T3 take away T2, which is 9 take away 12, that is -3. So I can see that this is not an arithmetic sequence, so then I test for a geometric. So for geometric, I'm going to say, what is T2 divided by T1? That is 16 divided by 12. Sorry, 12 divided by 16. 12 divided by 16 and 12 divided by 16 is 0.75. And I'm going to say T3 divided by T2. That will give us 9 divided by 12. That equals 0.75. What is T4 divided by T3? 6.75 divided by 9, which also equals 0.75. So now we know it's a geometric sequence. And I want to know on the 7th day, what would it be? So I want to find T7. That is what I want. So let's write down the formula. Tn equals A R n minus 1. I know that A equals 16. I also know that n equals the 7th day, and I also know that R equals 0.75. So if I substitute these into the equation, 16 multiplied by R, which is 0.75, n is 7 take 1. If you do that on your calculator, your answer will be 2.85. So 7 days after the test, 2.85 words would be recalled.